Winter is here, and it's time to talk about one of the most important parts of your cold weather wardrobe, winter shoes. Whether you're dealing with snow, rain, or just chilly temperatures, having the right footwear can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you through what to look for when choosing the perfect pair of winter shoes. First things first, let's talk about insulation. When it comes to winter shoes, keeping your feet warm is key. Look for shoes with good insulation like Thinsulate or fleece linings. These materials trap heat and keep your feet cozy, even in freezing temperatures. If you live in an area where it gets really cold, consider shoes that are specifically rated for sub-zero temperatures. Next up is waterproofing. Wet feet can ruin your day, so it's essential to choose shoes that are waterproof or at least water-resistant. Look for materials like Gore-Tex or treated leather that repel water while still allowing your feet to breathe. Make sure the seams are sealed, too. This prevents water from sneaking in through the stitching. Traction is another crucial factor. Winter often means icy or slippery conditions, so your shoes should have a good grip. Look for soles made from rubber or other materials designed for cold weather. Deep treads and patterns on the sole can help provide extra traction, reducing the risk of slipping on icy surfaces. Now let's talk about comfort. Winter shoes should not only protect you from the elements but also be comfortable enough to wear all day. Pay attention to the fit. There should be enough room to wear thick socks, but not so much that your feet slide around. Some winter shoes come with removable insoles, which can add an extra layer of warmth and cushioning. Style is important too. Just because it's winter doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style for function. There are plenty of options out there that combine both. From sleek leather boots to rugged hiking style shoes, you can find a pair that fits your personal style while still keeping you warm and dry. Finally, don't forget about maintenance. Winter conditions can be tough on shoes, so take care of them. Regularly clean and treat your shoes with waterproofing sprays or conditioners to keep them in good shape all season long. So, to recap, prioritize insulation, waterproofing, traction, and comfort when choosing your winter shoes. And of course, find a style that makes you feel good. With the right pair of shoes, you'll be ready to take on whatever winter throws your way. That's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion and footwear advice. Thanks for watching.